Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can perform the hard reset of your Denon wireless speaker. So first of all, we have to locate a few buttons. First, we have to locate the battery button. As you can see, it's right here next to the USB port. We have to also locate the play and the pause button and the power button. First of all, we have to power off our speaker by using the power button. Then turn it on back. And right now, click and hold play and the pause button and the battery button until this indicator blinks for a few times. And right now, release both buttons. As you can see right now, our speaker turns off. The indicators are not activated anymore instead of this battery because I'm right now charging it. And as you can see, I was previously connected. So right now, when I power on the speaker, this indicator will turn on and starts blinking quickly. It means that right now it's set up to the pairing mode, and when I try to select my previously connection, I will simply get the new pairing request after a few seconds. So one more time, to perform the hard reset of this speaker, power off your speaker, power on, and then click and hold play and the pause button and the battery button together for around 4 seconds until your speaker turns off. That's all for this video. Hope you like it.